Welcome to our second video.
We are going to talk about food.
Food, or as boring humans call it, diet.
That's what we're reviewing.
Let's start. We really like treats.
And we are very happy to get food.
I know you will enjoy watching us try the food.
I am chewing. Don't film moi.
I can help.
Leave me alone, you cloud. This is what we eat. It tastes kinda fruity anyways. And we eat it all the time. It's our main meal. I wish it were seed.
I like it.
Dramatic pause. Here's the bag, of course you humans wanna see.
But you know what's better? Seed.
I know I'm not on this channel, but I admit, seed is awesome.
Millet.
Gimme that.
No, it's mine. Oh hi Ohm.
She has millet.
I was gonna say own a.
Ooh, thanks.
Yummy. Bye guys, make sure to drum roll please.
Like and subscribe.